through the final scenes. I'm impressed. Does this kind of work appeal to you? Writing plays for the screen?
What, you mean?
We'll say 4 a year. I'd send you the book or short story I was keen on with my notes and suggestions. I would pay 700 guineas against 1,000.
Mr. Barber.
Sorry? You get 700 for writing the script. That would rise to 1,000 if the film is made.
For each script?
I feel like the Queen. Well, I don't envy her if these corsets were anything to go by.
This is absurd.
Cheer up. After all, you should be used to the costume.
We've put the names on the places, so please all of you find your chair and sit. Mr. Carson, you will be playing Lord Pumphrey at the head of the table.
Seems odd to be sitting in here.
You've spent enough time standing.
I'd say you've spent long enough.
You may be right, Mr. Dexter. Tell me, did your offer mean what I think it did?
It can mean as little or as much as you like.
I'd like it to mean a great deal.
Then you're in luck.
Mrs. Hughes?
Oh, no, really. Please, we're not here.
My lord, if you could make your way up behind the camera. Thank you.
I look like something to scare the crows.
Oh, nonsense. You're a picture of elegance. Now, sit down here and have something warming.
I thought it was just coloured water.
Well, so it is for the others. For us, I've smuggled in something nice.
You're right. This is good.
Don't the young couple look nice together? It must be wonderful to feel you're helping them.
I'd like to do more.
Well, this is what I want to talk about.
You're not nervous.
Well, how should a man feel when all his dreams have come true?
All your dreams.
I know. But you see, Miss Baxter...
Phyllis.
Phyllis, I felt ashamed. The best I could offer was a poor life on a schoolmaster's salary.
I'd have taken it.
But now you won't have to. I'm going to write plays to be made into films.
For Mr. Barber?
For Mr. Barber now, but who knows what'll happen if I'm any good at it. He's going to be talking films from now on. Oh, what the blazes! For the first time, I can offer a decent, prosperous life. For the both of us. So what do you say?
Are you not going to kneel?
Do you want me to?
I think so. It'll never happen again.
Right then, will you marry me, Miss Baxter? I mean, Phyllis?
Yes! Surely will, Mr. Molesley.
Settle down, everyone, please. Let's go for a first take.
Say it again.
Barkis is willing.
Oh, Mr. Mason. And you'll be content to live in my little cottage?
Unless you think it's wrong.
I most certainly do not. And now the young ones can have the farm?
I'll surrender the lease.
Well, I'll drink to that.
Right.
Remember, clarity, diction, and keep your heads still. Thank you.
Thank you. Roll the camera. And action.
Where are you going?
Back to London.
What?
You can't.
I can and I must. If I stay, darling Anne, I'll destroy you along with myself. Can't you see?
We'll fight it together.
No, we won't. I'm the worthless one. I'm the exile. I'm the lost soul. Now let me go!
Bill, please wait.
Jack's a cat.
And cut!
The buffet in the hall is ready, my lady.
Thank you, Barrow.
My lady, I wonder if I might have a word.
Of course.
I'd like to hand in my notice.
Oh. Well, I know you haven't always been happy here.
Oh, it's not that, my lady. I've had good years at Downton. But I've formed a sort of, well, I'm not sure what it is really, a working friendship with Mr. Dexter.
Guy?
That's it, my lady. And we mean to travel together. He'll make films and I'll look after him. I'll be his dresser, as the film people put it. And if I'm right, then it's the nearest I've come to the offer of an honest way of life.
You don't need to explain, Barrow. I wish you well. And I hope you'll be as happy as our cruel world allows.
Thank you, my lady. Well, I've done it.
Good.
We're all wondering if you'll miss your acting career.
Oh, please say yes. Come up to London. We'll find you a part.
No, thank you. I've enjoyed it, in fact, but once will suffice.
Can I help you, Miss Douglas?
I'd love some of that ham, if you can reach it, and a little sauce.
What's happened to your voice?
What do you mean?
Well, you've lost the ghastly. Of course, I didn't mean ghastly, exactly.
She's a natural.
Well, Lady Grantham thinks I can go to Hollywood and just be an American.
Well, why shouldn't you? Come along, Bertie.
Would you excuse me? I just want to go downstairs. Thank you.
Why is she so nice all of a sudden?
Simple. She's not afraid anymore. You do know that I'm completely mad about you.
Dear Mr. Barber, I can't give you what you want. But I can say that I've loved working with you.
And I must be content with that.
It's all you're going to get.
I'm mainly glad to be my father's son because I loved him. It matters more to me than all the dynastic stuff.
And so it should.
I'm happy for Sibby, as long as she learns how to pay back.
You don't believe in the idle rich?
I believe in them. I just don't want any member of my family to be one of them.
That sounds good to me. I think I'll have another cup. Excuse me.
Does that include any future member of your family?
Well, yes, of course, because...
It's early days, so don't say anything yet.
Oh, my darling, I won't say a word, but I think that I can kiss you.
Dr. Clarkson has arrived, my lord.
I notice you're very friendly with the handsome Mr. Barber.
Don't start. I've kept myself out of trouble and I've been good. With some difficulty, I might add.